Hello everybody, how are you? I have some exciting news for you. As you can tell from the title, I am giving away a 200 Canadian dollar e-gift card through my Play Well Bricks Facebook page. I will put the link in the description below. Go to my page, like it, and comment on that post, and you'll be entered to win that gift card. The reason I'm doing this is because today is kind of a momentous day for many reasons. First, about 4 years ago, I started Play Well Bricks as a way to help kids become more creative when using their Lego. So for a few years, I ran a non-profit where all the money went back into buying more Lego so that I could run workshops at my local school voluntarily and teach kids about how to use Lego there. From that, I started this YouTube channel. I also took on the role of being the coach of our first Lego robotics team, and that's been going for 4 years, which has been such a joy to do. And I've learned as much as I've taught the kids, and it has been just a fantastic experience. As well as I started doing design work and freelance commission work about 2 years ago, and that has seen some success. So because I've had a fantastic community online and in real life, I really wanted to give back because I believe that you get way more from giving than what you have given out initially. It's just something that keeps going and going. So I wanted to really express my appreciation to my community by giving this $200 gift card away. So again, go over to Play Well Bricks, like the page, comment, and good luck. And please take the time to like and subscribe and share this video out so that others have the chance to win this fantastic prize, as well as join the Play Well Bricks community. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.